Hey friends, welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, the place where everyday homes become your favorite place on earth. I am so excited about today's video because we are diving deep into one of my absolute favorite design aesthetics, the Summer Farmhouse, inspired by the one and only Studio McGee. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Trust me, you do not want to miss a single idea we share. Drop a comment below and tell me, are you a classic farmhouse lover or are you just discovering this dreamy style? Let's get into it. Your home's story begins at the very first glance. Studio McGee's exterior signature blends crisp white board and batten siding with warm natural wood accents. Think cedar shutters or a stained wood front door in a rich walnut or honey tone. For summer, layer in lush greenery with oversized planters flanking the entrance, filled with trailing vines and white hydrangeas. A classic black lantern light fixture adds that timeless contrast. The goal is intentional layering, meaning every detail feels curated, never cluttered. Your farmhouse facade should feel like a warm hug before anyone even steps inside. The entryway is your home's handshake, and in farmhouse design, it needs to be both beautiful and hardworking. Start with a shiplap-clad wall as your backdrop, then add a hook rail in matte black for coats and hats. A narrow shoe cabinet in a weathered white finish keeps things tidy without sacrificing style. Layer in a chunky jute mat underfoot, a leaning arched mirror to bounce light, and a small wooden bench with a linen cushion for easy shoe changes. Finish with a ceramic dish on a floating shelf for keys. Practical, gorgeous, and so very Studio McGee. Step into a Studio McGee summer living room and you'll feel an immediate exhale. The palette leans into warm whites, soft creams, and natural linen tones, colors that feel cool and sun-drenched at once. Anchor the space with a large, low-profile sofa in performance linen, then layer throw pillows in sage green, dusty blue, and warm terracotta. A jute or sisal area rug grounds the seating area beautifully. Add an oversized ceramic vase filled with dried pampas grass or fresh eucalyptus. Visual weight, the balance of large and small objects, is everything here. Keep it layered but airy. Farmhouse dining is all about gathering, and Studio McGee does this space so beautifully. Choose a solid oak or reclaimed wood dining table. The natural grain is the star. Pair it with linen-upholstered dining chairs and a wrought tan or woven accent chair at the head for that effortless mix-and-match look. For summer table decor, think a linen table runner, a wooden dough bowl filled with lemons and fresh herbs as your centerpiece, white ceramic plates, and matte black cutlery. Hang a statement wrought tan pendant light above to tie it all together. Every dinner feels like a sunset celebration. The kitchen is the heart of the farmhouse home, and Studio McGee nails this balance of function and beauty every single time. Opt for shaker-style cabinets in a warm white or soft sage. Both are having a major summer moment right now. A farmhouse apron front sink is non-negotiable. For appliances, a panel-ready refrigerator keeps the look clean, while a matte black or brushed brass stove adds that warm contrast. Tuck a small, elegant coffee machine. Think a sleek silver espresso maker into a dedicated coffee nook with open wood shelving above displaying your favorite mugs and a small potted herb garden. A cozy family room can absolutely include a flat TV without sacrificing style. It's all about how you frame it. Mount the TV on shiplap paneled wall and flank it with custom built-in shelving in a matte white finish. Style the shelves with a mix of books, woven baskets, and a few ceramic objects in varying heights. This is called vignette styling, and it makes your built-ins look magazine-worthy. Choose a deep, oversized sectional in a durable performance fabric. Layer chunky knit throws and mixed texture pillows. Add a worn leather ottoman as a coffee table. Warmth and function, perfectly married. Not every home has a dedicated office, and that is completely okay. In fact, the coziest spaces often double as both workspace and reading retreat. Choose a small, characterful desk in a vintage washed oak finish and pair it with a curved linen chair. On the desk, place a unique antique-style brass desk clock and a small, vintage-inspired radio for that nostalgic touch that Studio McGee loves so much. Carve out your reading nook nearby with a built-in bench seat, cushions in a ticking stripe fabric, and a wall-mounted swing-arm reading lamp. A basket of your favorite books completes the picture perfectly. A Studio McGee-inspired bedroom for summer is pure serenity. Start with a linen-upholstered bed frame in warm white or soft oat. The upholstered headboard is a signature move. Layer your bedding in tonal whites and creams with 1 or 2 accent pillows in a soft sage or dusty blue. A chunky cotton waffle blanket folded at the foot of the bed adds gorgeous texture. Choose matching nightstands in a natural white oak and top them with ceramic lamps featuring linen shades. Add a vintage-style arched floor mirror in one corner and a small tray of fresh lavender or white florals for that finishing sensory touch. Your farmhouse bathroom deserves the same thoughtful attention as any other room. For the shower, opt for large-format white subway tiles laid in a classic brick pattern with matte black fixtures. That contrast is everything. A rainfall showerhead instantly elevates the everyday experience. At the vanity, choose a freestanding ceramic vessel sink on a reclaimed wood console for that authentic rustic elegance. Layer in a large framed mirror with a simple wood or black metal surround. Finish with hand-woven white cotton towels, a ceramic soap dispenser, and a small wooden tray holding a candle and some dried botanicals. Pure, peaceful, perfect. Most homeowners completely overlook the garage as a design opportunity, but not Studio McGee fans. A farmhouse garage starts with consistent wall organization. Install a slatted wood pegboard or black metal grid rail system for tools and sports equipment. Paint the walls a clean, warm white to brighten the space naturally. Add labeled woven storage baskets on metal shelving for seasonal items. If space allows, a small workbench in reclaimed wood adds incredible character. Opt for black metal hardware on all cabinetry. Even the garage door matters. A carriage-style door in white with black straps is the ultimate farmhouse curb appeal upgrade. The farmhouse patio is your summer living room, and Studio McGee treats it exactly that way. Start with a large weathered teak or acacia dining table paired with wrought tan or wicker dining chairs. Natural materials are key outdoors. Layer a flat weave outdoor rug underneath to define the dining zone. For seating areas, choose deep outdoor sofas with performance linen cushions in natural tones and add a woven side table or two. String cafe lights above for that golden evening glow. Fill galvanized metal planters with lavender, rosemary, and white geraniums. A simple fire pit or lantern cluster completes this irresistible outdoor retreat. One of the most common design questions I get is, how do I choose a color palette that won't feel dated in 2 years? Studio McGee's answer is elegantly simple. Stay rooted in nature. Their summer farmhouse palette draws from warm whites, creamy ivory, soft sage, warm clay, and muted dusty blue. These are nature-derived neutrals, meaning they naturally harmonize with each other and with natural materials like wood, linen, and stone. Tip: always test paint colors in your actual space under your specific light conditions before committing. The same swatch looks entirely different in morning light versus afternoon sun. Trust the process. Studio McGee's design philosophy is built on the art of curated contrast, pairing antique or vintage-style pieces with clean, modern silhouettes. In practice, this means placing a sleek linen sofa alongside a rustic reclaimed wood coffee table or hanging a modern geometric mirror above a distressed console. When shopping for farmhouse furniture, look for these hallmarks: natural wood tones, turned or tapered legs, shaker-style cabinet fronts, and upholstery and neutral performance fabrics. Don't be afraid to mix wood tones. The trick is to repeat each tone at least twice in the room so it looks intentional rather than accidental. Here's a truth every designer knows. It's never the big furniture that makes a room feel designed. It's the accessories. Studio McGee is a master of what designers call the rule of threes, grouping objects in odd numbers, varying in height and texture for instant visual interest. Think a tall ceramic vase, a medium woven basket, and a small stack of books on a console table. For summer, bring in fresh or faux white florals, natural dried grasses, wooden candlesticks, and linen-bound books. Trays are your best friend. They corral smaller objects and instantly make a surface look intentional and styled. Lighting in a farmhouse home is never an afterthought. It's a statement. Studio McGee consistently chooses fixtures that feel sculptural, meaning they're beautiful even when turned off. For summer, lean into wrought tan and woven pendant lights in dining areas and bedrooms. In kitchens, matte black industrial pendants over an island add that essential contrast. Always layer your lighting: overhead ambient light, task lighting under cabinets, and warm accent lighting from table or floor lamps. Dimmers are non-negotiable. The ability to shift from bright afternoon light to warm evening glow is one of the simplest ways to transform how a room feels. Textiles are the soul of the farmhouse aesthetic, and Studio McGee understands this deeply. For summer, swap heavy velvet throws for lightweight cotton waffle weaves and breezy linen. Layer your rugs. A flat weave cotton rug over a natural jute base creates gorgeous depth on hardwood floors. In the bedroom, stick to 100% linen or cotton percale bedding for that relaxed, effortlessly beautiful look. For window treatments, choose sheer linen panels that filter golden summer light rather than block it completely. Tip: always buy textiles in the same tonal family but vary the texture. It's how you create that layered, collected look without visual chaos. No summer farmhouse is complete without abundant greenery and natural elements brought indoors. Studio McGee consistently integrates nature through a mix of living plants, dried botanicals, and fresh-cut flowers. In summer, prioritize plants that thrive in natural light: fiddle leaf figs, olive trees, pothos, and trailing ivy. Place a large olive tree in a terracotta pot as an architectural anchor in a living room corner. Style fresh white flowers: garden roses, ranunculus, peonies, in simple ceramic or glass vessels on kitchen counters and dining tables. Even a simple bundle of eucalyptus hung in the shower adds aromatherapy and style simultaneously. Here's your biggest takeaway tip. Studio McGee's look is absolutely achievable without a designer budget. Start with what designers call investment pieces. Spend on the sofa, the dining table, and the bed frame since these anchor every room. Then save by thrifting for accessories, side tables, lamps, and artwork. Discount retailers and vintage markets are gold mines for the ceramic vessels, wooden trays, and woven baskets that make rooms look styled. Paint is always your highest ROI upgrade. Repainting cabinets in a warm white or sage green can completely transform a kitchen for a fraction of a renovation cost. Style smart, not expensive. And there you have it, friends, your complete guide to creating a summer farmhouse inspired by Studio McGee's breathtaking signature style, from the curb appeal stopping facade all the way through to your dreamy patio retreat. Remember, great design isn't about perfection. It's about creating a home that feels authentically, warmly, beautifully yours. Start with one room, one corner, even one shelf, and build from there. If this video sparked any ideas or inspiration for you, please give it a big thumbs up. It truly means the world to this channel. Drop your biggest takeaway in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for fresh design inspiration every single week. Until next time, keep designing the life you love.